Okay everybody, I just wanted to show you where that tree fell, and you can see part of the roof's laying down here on the ground and it's up there and it's twisted this whole roof clear around off of the building. My doors won't shut now because it's twisted the whole building around. And you can see here where it's all, this whole building twisted is completely. Now here's the tree. I don't know if you can see down there, but this tree is huge, and it took out a couple more little trees here. But here's some of the pieces of wood, and you can see my foot here, kind of show you how big these pieces of wood is. So that kind of shows you how big the tree is. So I gotta get the rest of this. I've got about everything cut up. I got a couple more little pieces, but then I gotta get everything stacked up. I gotta get my clippers and clip all of this stuff out of the way and throw it over here or whatever. And I'm gonna eventually, the wind here is blowing like 40 miles an hour again today, so I'm gonna eventually burn all of this. I've got piles up by our burn pile and everything, and then here where we had the garden last year. So I don't know if I'm gonna burn that right there or not, or take it up to the burn pile. But then I'm going to get all this wood stacked up onto my wood pile here that we use for bonfires. I guess we'll have plenty of wood for bonfires next year. Then I was out feeding the chickens this morning, and down in our other lot here across the creek, I heard a crack and then a bang, and we had a tree fall down there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. It was dead. I was going to cut it down next spring anyway, but yeah, it fell. I don't know if you can see it laying down there or not, close to our burn pile. So I gotta get that cut up now. So here's the chickies. They're all gonna come running here because they think I'm gonna give them more food, which I've already fed them once today. What are you girls doing, huh? Huh? What are you doing, Romeo? Huh? So they're all, we threw a couple of butternut squashes in there, so they're been eating on those the last couple of days. So alrighty, I'm going to finish trying to clean some more of this up, and the guy from the that does the claims and gives them the insurance company appraisals is supposed to call me in the next day or two and get with me to come out and look at our shed and see how much damage there is and how much they're going to give me to try. And I really don't know if you can repair that. It may have to just be tore down and start all over again, because there's a lot of damage there on my poor little shed. Luckily, I don't think anything inside was damaged. I had most of my Christmas things outside anyway. I've already got them set up. I don't have extension cords or anything run to them yet. I'm going to try. It's supposed to be close to 60 again tomorrow, so I'm going to try and do that tomorrow. But so yeah, I'm trying to get there. So alrighty, thanks for watching everybody. I'll try and see about maybe just turn this on so you can watch me clip the weeds here, or all these. This was all grapevines and stuff, so but you can see here too, where this little tree right there fell, and then that tree there it took out, and then if you can see this pine tree right back here on the neighbor's property, it took the top out of it. So this big old tree did a lot of damage. And then I've got another one here that, as you can see, it's leaning, and if it falls, it may hit the chicken run. So I may have to figure out how to get down there and cut it down, and hopefully let it fall over across the yard here, and without it hitting swing and stuff, and get that cut up too. So guess I'm gonna have a lot of wood cut up for next spring or next year for bonfires. So it took out part of my wood pile while it was here. I mean, you can see where it knocked it. That limb here, part of this cherry, I think it's a cherry tree, I'm not sure, but it come, and I've already cut some off, but it come right down through here and knocked my wood pile over. And so did this one here. You can see it's still laying on the wood pile, so I gotta get that cut yet, and try and get some of this stuff cleaned off of here to see what I can. Okay, got a little bit more cut off. Trying to get to at least get my pile uncovered where I can get to stuff, and try to get my pile uncovered where I can start stacking all this stuff up on here and see what I have and what's left to clean up out through here. I know there's some stuff to cut and everything. I had a branch come out of that tree too up there. So it was crazy here Sunday. Man, we had winds, I think they said 60 miles an hour winds Sunday. A lot of people without electric. The electric went out all over the place, and especially northern Ohio up by Cleveland and Akron and stuff, they had a lot of people without power. And so alrighty, well, I hope everybody has a good day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.